Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about a very common pattern in CI pipelines: fan out, fan in. The idea is simple, it only takes three steps: build once, test in parallel, and release or deploy when everything passes. This pattern gives you the maximum opportunity for parallelization without having to rebuild the same artifact multiple times. Everything starts with the build stage. Here we're going to build our artifact. This gives us two things: something to test and knowing that the project is buildable. So let me open a new pipeline. First, we're going to set up a few things. I click on the pipeline to select the default machine for all my jobs. And on the prologue, I type checkout to clone the repository. Now all my jobs will start with the repository already cloned. Next, I create the build job. Here I download my dependencies, build the project, and then use artifact push workflow to store my compiled binary or my build directory into the built-in artifact store. This command works with single files and whole directories. Once we have something to test, we can fan out into multiple test stages. For example, unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. All of this job will depend on having the build ready, and we can run them in parallel to maximize the speed. Each job will start with the artifact pull workflow to get the build from the artifact store. Finally, once all tests are done, we can fan back into a single stage. This is usually done for releasing or deploying the artifact. And here again, we use artifact pull workflow to get the artifact from the artifact store, and then we run any steps or commands to package that artifact in something we can deploy or release. For example, to publish on GitHub or release a Helm chart like in Semaphore Community Edition, or we can publish that in any relevant registries like Docker Hub, NPM, PyPy, and so on. In addition, during this fan-in stage, we can also put a human in the loop to decide if the release or deployment should take place. The easiest way to achieve this is to use a promotion and put the deployment commands on a separate pipeline. The package won't be deployed until someone presses the button. And that's all. That's the fan out, fan in pipeline pattern. Build once, test in parallel, and release when everything passes. It's really one of the most efficient ways to structure your CI pipeline. It gives you speed, reliability, and consistency. And that's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And do let us know in the comments what other CI/CD pattern you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.